Bollinger Vieilles Vignes Françaises. Bollinger Vieilles Vignes Françaises. Bollinger Vieilles Vignes Françaises. The typical French pronunciation, Bollinger Vieilles Vignes Françaises. Bollinger Vieilles Vignes Françaises. Bollinger Vieilles Vignes Françaises is made from 100% Pinot Noir Grand Cru grapes, so a Grand Cru Blanc de Noir champagne sparkling wine, made from grapes sourced from two single vineyards that are adjacent to the Bollinger House in the town of Hailly in the Champagne wine region of France. These old vines are non-grafted, so no American rootstock is used here, which is very rare in France these days, in Champagne in particular, since the Phyloxera crisis of the 19th century. The vines are grown in the traditional en foule layering system and worked entirely by hand. At Bollinger, like in Champagne in general, only the highest quality harvests become a vintage champagne wine. Bollinger Vieilles Vignes Francaises champagne is aged on its lees in the bottle for more than twice the time required by the appellation of Champagne, the AOC of Champagne, so for about 3 years before release. The dosage, or the added sugar at bottling, is very low at about 4 grams per liter to preserve the genuine expression of this rare Grand Cru fruit. Bollinger recommends as a wine and food pairing with its Vieilles Vignes Françaises Prestige Cuvée Champagne, white caviar and Arba truffle. Why not? I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.